Kristen, thanks for that live report. And Western Mass News is getting you answers. If you live in Chicopee, you may have heard loud noises going off throughout the day. Western Mass News reporter Lexi Oliver joins us live in Chicopee with more on what could be causing the noise. Lexi?
Jordan, we've noticed people online saying they've heard loud banging noises, and we've learned what those sounds might be coming from. Lieutenant Colonel Rodney Furr from Westover Air Reserve Base tells Western Mass News that due to the late snowfall we've gotten this season, flocks of horned larks and snow buntings have made themselves at home on the airfield, which poses a risk to aircraft operations.
There's a risk of bird strike either in the cockpit or a bird being sucked into an engine and causing some sort of catastrophic danger. Also, with the different times of the day, the aircraft will take off. If there's an aircraft getting ready to take off and the birds may be on the ground and they're approaching the aircraft, the sound startles them. They fly up in a big mass, and then the aircraft has to try to fly through them.
Because of this, the base has been setting off an air cannon every day at random times to try to change the birds' behavior. Lieutenant Colonel Furr tells us this method is non-lethal and is approved by the USDA. The cannons also have to be moved around on a regular basis so the birds don't get used to the sounds coming from one specific area. Now, we're told that this air cannon operation is being conducted from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. only. Live in Chicopee, Lexi Oliver, Western Mass News.
Lexi, thanks. And if you have a question or something that you want us to look into for you, be sure to email us at gettinganswers@westernmassnews.com. Just be sure to include your name and your phone number as we work to dig deeper.